Are you struggling with your prayer life? Here's 5 things to boost your prayer life this year. Number 1, set a time to meet with God. Think about it like this. It's your prayer date. And don't be late. Number 2, find a private place. Don't think God don't want privacy. Get them distractions out the way. Number 3, get quiet before God before you say anything. And after a couple minutes, then give thanks and praise. Number 4, then get into praying for yourself and for others. Number 5, sit quietly again and meditate and write down anything that you believe God is saying to you or teaching you at this time. 6, this is a must. Read the Bible. You can choose a topic beforehand, or you can choose to read something relating to what you just would have received a few minutes ago. Now let me know in the comments which one of these you need to work on. Now if you really need more help, go to my profile page